This video is definitely going to offend some eBay sellers, but I am absolutely appalled at how entitled some of you eBay sellers are. After the last video I posted sharing the script that I use when I buy off of eBay sellers, I really thought a lot of the eBay sellers who follow me were more professional. I thought that a lot of the eBay sellers who followed me understood that you're in the customer service business. At what point did some of these eBay sellers get to where they don't think they have to provide customer service, where they're too good for the buyers, right? And it's interesting because I'm coming from the other side of the coin. Normally, over the last 8 years, I'm the seller, and I'm still obviously a seller. I sell full time on eBay and Amazon, mostly on Amazon. But over the last year, I've been a buyer because I buy a lot of items on eBay to sell on Amazon FBA. And after I posted yesterday's video, which I'll link down below, where I shared the script that I use after I purchase an item to make sure my items are in really good shape, because anywhere from 5 to 15% of my orders were getting destroyed or being shipped really unprofessionally. There were lies and there were, damages and issues being hidden. I was really shocked when I saw quite a few comments on that video from some of you guys saying, if anybody ever messaged me with that, I would cancel the order. So you're just going to give away money and you're going to let your ego get in the way instead of providing customer service. It's so funny how times have changed, right? In the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, maybe even in the 90s and early 2000s, we were all about taking care of the customer. We were all about providing value, about going above and beyond. And now it's really disappointing to see that there's so many eBay sellers who have gotten to the point where it's almost like, I'm on my high horse. I'm an eBay seller. And if anybody questions me, if anybody asks a question, if there's anything that's outside of the box, I'm canceling the order, because you want to know what? I know how to ship. I know how to list. I know how to describe my items. But the funny truth is, and I'm not saying this is exactly you, right? This is really only 10 to 15% of the sellers. And again, you guys might not be able to relate because maybe you're only selling on eBay. I would like you to go run an experiment and buy 3 to 4 to 500 items a week off of eBay and let me know your experience. But I'm seeing time and time again, eBay sellers only providing a couple of pictures, not giving any description at all, not sharing any defects or issues, hiding issues and defects with the items that I'm buying, shipping items in poly bags that are $40, $50, $60 items with no protection, shipping out $150 board games I'm going to sell for $350 in a poly bag with no box. At what point have you gotten on your high horse so high that you let your ego get in the way of adding value? And a lot of you guys have got it mixed up, all right? You're supposed to be taking care of the customer. You're supposed to be providing value. You're supposed to be providing customer service. You're supposed to be helping out, the buyer with the transaction. Get off of your high horse, add value. Don't let your ego get in the way. I don't care how many years I've been selling on eBay and Amazon. There's always something to learn. There's always something that I could improve. And there's always another mistake that I'm making. And I accept that. Right? Yeah, sometimes maybe I get a little cocky and I'm like, yeah, I know it all. But I humble myself real quick often, because I'll tell you right now, when you're in business, you never want to get to the point where you think you know it all, or you're on the high horse. So you want to know what? I'm not going to provide customer service because, I don't answer questions. I was absolutely appalled by some of these messages, guys. I'm telling you guys right now, I know it's 2022 and we live in a world now where everybody just wants to make money and provide no customer service and literally just make passive income on the beach. But come on, give me a break, guys. If you're going to be selling on eBay or Amazon, or you're going to be running a business, put the goddamn customer first. Get your freaking ego out of the mix and just add value, okay? Besides the point of the script that I had, which honestly at the end of the day wasn't even that bad, provide value. Be willing to help out. How many times are you really having customers who are, being annoying and stuff through the messages, causing chaos? Like 5% of the time. I'll tell you right now, I've sold hundreds of thousands of items on eBay. And I admit there are times where customers are super annoying. And, even you get these like little cookie cutter drop shipper templates and stuff. But how many times do they even bother you? Like for me, like hardly ever. I get a message. I just provide service the way they want it. I make them happy, and bada bing, bada boom, the profits are coming soon. Be there for the customer. Stop thinking about yourself so much. Why do you have to be like that? I don't understand. Come on, guys. Let's step up our game. So with that being said, much love. Don't forget about the customer. Don't forget about why you're making money as a reseller. You're taking advantage of just good people. I'm not even talking about myself, but there's people out there who have questions, who have concerns. Don't take advantage of people like that. Really help your customer out, guys. And I'm telling you, it'll make a big difference in your business. So with that being said, much love. Let's go.